bring Cedar.
Hold on, honey. Mom, I told you. I need to take him to the vet.
Why?
It's been a long night, Mom. I think he's got a ear infection.
Has he been around other male dogs?
I mean, we went to the dog park the other day, but I can't see how that would give him an infection.
Well, doggies that mess around down there get an infection.
What are you talking about?
You know, this.
What?
This, you know, been around other male dogs.
Mom, I said ear infection, not rear infection.
Thank goodness I'm not taking him to the vets.
I didn't say rear, I said ear. Put your seatbelts on, Mom. Come